Hi friends, it's Wendy Lee back with the haul today. Today I'm sharing with you some things I picked up at the Dollar Tree over the weekend. They had some good stuff. Found a few cute things over in the Mother's Day section and kind of like the summer fun area. Some things I had been looking for and found, and I was so excited, so I wanted to share with you. Okay, first thing is, this is like a necessity. I always get these. I like to put, like, when I do swaps and I do tissue paper, I like to get these just because I think the colors are pretty. This is the, these are the pastel ones, and it comes with blue, green, pink, purple, and yellow, and there's 24 sheets for $1. I think that's a really good deal. So whenever I see those, I grab them. They're not always in all the stores. A lot of times you just get the white or you get other colors, but the other colors seem to not have as many. They don't have 24 sheets, so I always get that. I think that's a good deal. And then I found this in kind of like the section where they have like all the serving trays and stuff. And you guys might remember I got that Joann's project cart, which is really awesome. It has all of those trays on it. But I thought this would be really nice for some projects where, like, as an example, I like to do the die cut project that Susan Tootsie Tucker hosts once a month. And a lot of times, like, I'm trying to put all that stuff on my tray, and I just figure it would be nicer to have something like this where you have like small little pieces and you want to like separate them or what have you. So I'm going to try that out. I got one of them. Probably going to regret that I only got one. But anyway, I got that. Then I found these. I've been looking for these. So they're these little flip top organizers. Let's see if I can get it to open. So 3 of those for $1. What a good deal. So I found those. I think they come in pink too, if I'm not mistaken, but I didn't see pink. Then I found these, which I'm going to put these on my 3-tier tray for the 4th of July. It's just some pretty star foam scatter. Thought those were pretty. And a couple things from the Mother's Day section. I got this satin eye mask. The pretty roses on it. And I got these disposable pedicure flip-flops, which I'm going to use and I'm not going to throw away. I just thought those were cute and I thought they would be useful. And I also liked that they had the really cute toe dividers for when you're giving yourself a pedicure. And this was over in the Mother's Day section too, but I think this is normally over in the bath section. I just got this coconut infused exfoliating bath cloth, and I like to use these in the summertime when I have a spray tan, or when I have like, when I've done like an at-home fake tan where, you know, it's time to take off the tan so you can, you know, start fresh again and put new self-tanner on. So these are really good. They can be a little rough, so, you know, if you do use them, don't scrub hard at first until you get used to it. Then I found these. You guys remember I was telling you that I had regretted not picking up any of this stuff when I saw it the first time. So I found some of the Crafter's Choice faux leather. Like, I guess it's supposed to be kind of like how Cricut has the faux leather. So I got navy and I got white. I just love navy and white together. Like, that's a color combo that I love. Like in the summertime, navy and white with gold, or like navy, red and white with gold. I just love that. So anyway, got that. Then I found these pretty holo straws. So pick those up. And I found some pretty bowls. This was over in the party section. I just think it's nice to have things like this in the craft room when you're doing something messy, like maybe you need a cup to put some paint in, or a cup to put some water in for your paint. So you, like, you know, when you're switching in between colors, mixing glitter, just all sorts of things. And I thought they were pretty, so I grabbed those. I found some stickers. Let me get them all out. So let's see. I found these pretty music instruments. I love that so much. Those are gorgeous. Then I think I've picked these up before and I think I gave them away. So I got another set of those pretty butterflies. And then I found the jeweled crosses. Aren't those pretty? And I found these butterflies. I hadn't seen these puffy butterflies before. So I got those. And then I found these jewels. And I found another set of jewels. I hadn't seen the jewels at any of mine, so they just started getting them. So don't be down and out if you haven't seen any things at your stores. You just never know. They might show up one day. I got this. This is so cute. Look at the little llama. Now this wasn't with like the crafter square. This was like with all the other stickers. That's where I found those. So if you've been looking for those big puffy ones, same thing with these. I found these big puffy flowers. And I found some more of these, which I'm happy about, because I got one last time, and then I was like, man, I should have got more of those, because these could be really cool for Halloween. They could be really cool for like grungy or vintage or what have you. Maybe, I don't know, maybe even steampunk maybe. But I only got one, and then when I went back they were gone, so I was like, oh man. But then I saw them again, so I grabbed another one. And then I got these really pretty sunflowers. Look how pretty those are. Those are beautiful. For $1, there's like no way. You would go to Michael's and these would probably be like $3.99 or $5.99. And they have glitter on them, so I don't know if you can tell, but they have glitter. I think those are so pretty. I probably should have got 2 of those, but oh well. And then I got this one. This artist one. My husband was like, you should get that one. I was like, I should, huh? So it says create, artist, got a bunch of paints, creativity is magic, I love art. Thought those were pretty. And then I got this stencil, be a rainbow in someone else's cloud. So what I've been doing, like the last couple of packages that I sent out, look, now I'm going to put pressure on myself. If I am doing any swaps with you and I don't paint the side of the box, don't be upset. So what I did was my last giveaways, I painted the sides of the boxes using stencils, just something fun. I think it said be sweet and wear a crown, and it had like a pineapple, and it was just something I got from the Dollar Tree that I painted the side of them. So I think I'm gonna try, when I remember, when I have time, to paint some boxes and just add a little extra something special. So I thought this one would be fun for that. And then let's see, I found these vase fillers, which I thought would be pretty for making flowers. And I hadn't seen these iridescent ones before. These were over in the like party section. And then I found some black ones, which I thought would be great for Halloween. So I don't care if it's not Halloween. I'm grabbing stuff when I see it at Dollar Tree, because when it's gone, it's gone. And then I got these cute little rainbow key covers. Not rainbow. Watermelon key covers. These are just like cute little extras to put inside your swaps. So that'll go in a summer swap that I'm doing. And then I found these rainbow ones, which I am doing a rainbow swap right now, and I think I'm going to throw one of these in there. Then I also found these pretty, is this called vase filler? Yeah, these glitter vase fillers. So I grabbed those. And I got a couple of yarns. I don't have these colors, so I got this pretty yellow and this lavender. And I got a couple of little extras to throw in some swaps as little extra gifts. So I got this little cute pineapple, which holds your hand sanitizer. And it's nice because people can refill these little sanitizer bottles. Like if you don't like the one from the Dollar Tree or don't trust that it's, you know, strong enough or whatever after you read the ingredients, then you can just put your own in there. It's got 70% alcohol, which I think is the minimum for COVID, if I'm not mistaken. Don't quote me on that. But there's that one. And then this cute one, this cute little like rainbow one that says love. Then I got something fun for the backyard. I also got some makeup, you guys, some name brand makeup, which I'm going to show you. Something fun for the backyard. So funny story, I love playing badminton. So I got these, and I got these rackets for badminton. They had blue ones and red ones at my store. So funny story about these. I don't know what it is about these. I think these are called birdies, actually. My cat is obsessed with these. Now, like if we put it on the ground, she won't do anything with it. But if it's flying through the air, she does like this weird little meow where she's like, makes this weird little noise, and she like hunches down and stares at it and gets all intense, and her tail starts going crazy. We literally just got this so my husband and I can play badminton in the backyard and watch our cat go crazy over it. So anyway, got that. And I got some more of these because I don't know what I did with my other ones, you guys. So these are nice, like when you want to tie, of course, for your hair. They're those little clear like rubber bands, and they're nice for that. But they're also nice for when you want to tie bows, when you're making bows out of tulle or other types of fabric, and you need to tie it up kind of tight, but you don't want to do it with something that's very noticeable. So these little clear rubber bands work good, but you got to be careful. You can't do it too tight because they can snap. So I got another pack of those, and then watch, just because I got those, the other ones are going to show up randomly. Let's see. Oh, I found this. So for Valentine's Day, I found this, but like I said, when you see it, grab it because it will not be there. So I'm going to put that in the Valentine's box with all the Valentine's goodies. Then I found this tulip tape paint. I have tape sitting in front of me, so that's why I said that I was looking at it. Tulip paint, and this is glow-in-the-dark dimensional fabric paint, and $1, you guys, like for that big old thing. So got that. And then, like I said, I found some makeup when I was there, some name brand makeup, so I thought I would go ahead and grab it. I got this L'Oreal Infallible Paints Metallics in the color Caged, 404 Cage, which is like a pretty taupey brown. And then this kind of peachy shimmery eyeshadow. This is number 400 Rose Chrome. Then I found this hard candy. I think this is a highlighter, I'm pretty sure. Glow All the Way in the color 127 Honeymoon. Like I said, I think that's a highlighter. Then, you guys, I found these cute bags, these like basket bags, which I had been looking for forever. I think last year, like in the summer or the spring, I saw Serenity Creations alter this little basket. Let me see if I can, I'm gonna put this in front and then I'll move the camera so you can see it. But look how cute these are, you guys. And what I saw her do was she took like jute, or like, yeah, like jute rope, but thin jute rope, and weaved it through about, I don't know, maybe 1/4 of the bag. So like weaved it up to here, and then she weaved it on the handles so that the handles would be easier to hold. Cause you know how like when you have like that thin plastic, it can hurt. So she like weaved it, and it looks so cute. So I was like, in the back of my mind, I had just always been looking for them, but I thought, oh, I'm never going to find those because it was last year. Well, there you go. I found them. So anyway, I think that is everything. Yeah, that's everything, guys. So thanks for hanging out with me today. Please leave a comment, leave a like if you are so inclined, subscribe. Thank you for your time today. I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye.